Hey guys, it's Michael. NIO just announced that it delivered 5,055 vehicles in October of 2020, which was a new monthly record for the company and is a 100% year-over-year growth. After this announcement of record deliveries in October, NIO stock shot up and skyrocketed about 10% pre-market, and people have been asking if it is now too late to buy NIO or if you can still get into it. On top of this, NIO is set to announce its Q3 earnings this month, and a number of analysts have come out this past week and have upgraded their price target for NIO as well. So in today's video, I'm first going to break down this announcement from NIO on their October deliveries. Then we're going to go over some recent price target upgrades from analysts at major firms. And finally, make sure to stick around until the end of the video, where we will go over whether or not NIO is still a good buy and a massive price target for the company moving forward. And if you enjoy this sort of content, well then please be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out a lot. So, China's electric vehicle company NIO announced this morning that it delivered a record 5,055 vehicles in October of 2020. And this represented a 100.1% year-over-year growth for the company. The deliveries consisted of 2,695 ES6s, which is the company's 5-seater high-performance premium smart electric SUV. They sold 1,477 ES8s, which is its 6-seater and its 7-seater flagship premium smart electric SUV. And finally, they also sold 883 EC6s, which is the company's 5-seater premium electric coupe SUV. So far, NIO has delivered 31,430 vehicles this year in 2020 so far. And this is an increase of over 111% year over year. On top of this, the next big event for NIO is that they are set to release their Q3 earnings for 2020 on November 17th, and depending on how the numbers go with this report, could drastically affect the stock price. It could cause it to jump up another 15 to 20%, or it could also cause the stock price to drop. But based on all the numbers we've been seeing so far, it's most likely that they're going to be beating estimates and expectations from analysts. Next up is analysts expect NIO to dominate and own about 30% of the premium passenger EV market in China in the coming years. JP Morgan expects NIO to reach 334,000 units by 2025. Currently, NIO lags behind Tesla, whose registrations in China topped 50,000 vehicles in the first half of 2020, but being a Chinese-owned company, NIO is going to receive significant more support from the government than Tesla. And this will really contribute to NIO growing in the future and maybe eventually dominating the EV market in China. JP Morgan analyst currently has a price target of $40 per share on the stock, which is about a 20 to 30% increase from where the stock is right now. And other analysts have come out and upgraded the stock recently as well. However, not all analysts are as bullish about NIO due to the massive run the stock has had this year of almost 2,000%. HSBC analysts just upgraded NIO's price target to $30 per share, which is just below what the company was trading on Friday and is slightly below what it's trading at right now. This is one of the more conservative ratings that NIO has received recently, but it's important to note that now that NIO continues to climb every single day practically, it's going to have a correction soon. It's just natural that it will have a correction. And lastly, let's get into a NIO stock price prediction. So, as I've said in previous videos, I think NIO will reach a price target of $135 in the next 3 to 5 years. It could go even higher than this as well. So, while I do think this stock is a great buy long term, one thing to keep in mind though is that the stock is likely going to have a normal correction in the short term, whether that's 6 months from now, after the election. It's going to have a correction eventually because the stock has risen 60% in the last month alone and 160% in the last 3 months. So it keeps going up and up and up, and now we're at a point where they're going to have to continue to deliver on their numbers and continue to grow their deliveries and production numbers in order for this valuation to be justified. So while I do think NIO is a great buy long term and it's not too late to buy it, there will be some short-term corrections in the next couple of months, which is just normal for any stock. But anyways, with NIO having record deliveries in October, growing at an unbelievable pace, and looking to get more support from the Chinese government, they're definitely on track to be a dominant EV player in the Chinese vehicle market. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.